Okay, I just wanted to go over this small component here, a variation on the exit door that we had worked on before. You can see here that when I tap this, obviously I can't go through it, but when I grab having trouble grabbing there. When I grab one of these aliens, it opens up a ring, and then I have to keep grabbing an alien and to open up one ring to get to the exit. So, to do this, I click on Chrome. All I did was, you can see I created 3 different circles using Piscolab. Um, Pretty basic, so I just clicked add a new frame, and I just used the circle tool right here, and I made sure that my pen size was on 4, and then I just dragged out the circle with the color I wanted, and I click this little crossroads symbol, and that would center the circle. Okay, once I had all 3 of my circles completed, you can see this one actually has a bit of a variation on it. I used the lighten tool right there, and I held down command and just kind of darkened the circle up to give it a bit of a different look. Once I completed that, I went down to export, and if you click on zip, this one right here, I just named it to whatever I wanted to name it, and I clicked download zip. And inside the zip file, when you open it up, you would have your 3 PNG files, your 3 circles. Okay, and then all I did was I went into my assets folder here, I went to images, I went to game elements, and I dragged those 3 circles into here and kind of resized them how you see. Now, of course, I drag the circle out into the hierarchy, and you can see this one, shield 1. Let's see, I think this is the inner circle here. Yes, this is the blue circle. So to create this, you can see there's a couple things here. There's obviously the rigid body 2D. There's the auto rotate script, which you should know. And then we'll just go through the other couple scripts here. So not physics 2D, playground. And I went to the condition script and used the condition collision script. And actually, you do need a collider for this. So before you do that, click Add Component, go down to Physics 2D, and add a Circle Collider. You can see there's the Circle Collider right there. And if I click on Circle Collider, you can see it's that green line out, and it's quite big. It shouldn't be out there. It should be around the blue circle here. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on the Scale tool, and I'm going to click in the middle, and oops, sorry, I'm doing this wrong. I'm going to click on the blue, and then I'm going to click Edit Collider. Yes. So Edit Collider. Oh, it disappeared there. Edit Collider, and I can grab these little green tabs here, and I can pull it in to be a reasonable size. Now, it's hard to get it perfect, but let's just say our collider is about that large there. Okay, now, once we've got our collider, I'm going to go back down to my playground component, go to conditions, go to condition collision, and you can see now I can use it. And these are our gameplay actions. So right here, when they touch the collider, I want something to happen. So first thing I want to happen is consume resource action, and let's just collapse these to make it a bit easier to read. So consume resource, and I want them to have to consume 1 alien to get through the shield. Now the second thing I want to add is I have this consume resource action. The second thing is, of course, I want the on-off action right there. And I'm just going to collapse that, and you can see there is my on-off action script. And the object to effect is, of course, this object. Okay. Yeah, and that's basically how I created these 3 rings. So you have to collect an alien, tap the object, collect an alien, tap the object. Now I'm thinking what you could do is you could perhaps have a huge asteroid field, and you could have it color coded keys. So you have to find the green key to tap the outer ring Um, so yeah, so you'd have to yeah, you definitely have to think about how you'd want to create that, and that's something that you can add into your gameplay. Hopefully this was helpful.